Hello and welcome to Choreographytogo. Thank you for your recent purchase. In this video, we're going to show you how to access your workshops, classes or courses, whatever it is you've most recently enrolled in. So to begin, simply click the login button here. You'll then be taken to the login page where you can use the email address and the password that you entered when you made your purchase. We suggest that you use the same account for all of your Choreographytogo purchases, as this keeps them all in one place. If you log in and you can't find your purchase on your account, perhaps it could be on another account. If you realise you have more than one account, please let us know and we can put these together for you. Once you've clicked login, you'll be taken to your members area. This is where you can find everything that you need related to your course, workshop, challenge, class, whatever it may be. Simply scroll down and have a look at the drop box here. Click the drop down arrow and you'll see all of the programs that you have enrolled in just here. Simply click on one and it will take you to that page. As you can see, here is the workshop video and any notes that you might need. You can go back to the members area at any point by clicking here. If you need to access any of your account details, change your card for any subscriptions, you can do that by clicking the button here or by going to the account button here. Here you can click on subscriptions and you will see any recurring subscriptions where you can update your card. You can see all of the different memberships that you have enrolled in, whether that's a class or a workshop, a standalone single item or a recurring program. We also have courses here. These are for longer programs that have goals and milestones. You'll see here that it says 0% because this course hasn't been started yet. However, do not be concerned if your other items are not listed here, as this is only an area for courses. Everything else will be listed either under your subscriptions, or please go back to Choreographytogo, do your members area where you will be able to find everything. If you do have any questions or can't find something, please do get in touch with us via Facebook Messenger, on our contact page, or via the chat button here. Rachel and Lauren are always happy to help. Thank you and happy learning. Bye.